Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of Tesla videos. So I do have a 2019 Model 3 with full self-driving that I'm paying monthly, and that's $200 a month, so it's pretty pricey. So please consider subscribing, helping out the channel. So we're gonna do a challenge, and I got inspired by Dirty Tesla. So if you like FSD, go check out his channel. I actually need to go to Best Buy to purchase an adapter that's USB-A to USB-C, so I can use a microphone that I have. And I just got out of the gym. I need to go to Best Buy, so we're gonna make the car take us from the gym all the way to Best Buy. And hopefully there's no disengagements. I've taken the route to the gym, from the gym to my house, and it's kind of close to Best Buy. I think it's just an additional 5 to 8 minutes of driving. So hopefully it does well. There is a turn into the Best Buy that's kind of crazy, so we'll see how FSD handles that. And it'll be my first time taking FSD to Best Buy from this location. So let's see how it does. All right, so I got out of the parking spot I was in. I've got the destination there. We're gonna engage FSD. And I believe, from what I heard, they have not worked on the parking lots. Same thing as last time, it's way too close to this right side over here. So parking lots, they still need to work on them. I did read about that they haven't done a lot of updates on the parking lot yet. So I did see the new interview. Well, it's an old interview, but the bonus features from the latest Elon Musk, sorry, I lost train of thought there with the car. The latest interview with Elon Musk, and he said that they're not really working on polishing the FSD yet with little details. They're still trying to like finish it. And we had a chance there. Now we got a lot of traffic. I'm gonna put the wheels so I can see. We've got a good distance from the curb. I should go there. I'm gonna accelerate there a little bit. Holy crap. All right, that was a very drastic acceleration there. I don't know what it was waiting for. All right, we'll go full screen. I know you guys can't really see this that much. I'll try to zoom in the video. All right, we're approaching our right. Holy crap, that's come on, FSD, go, 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 go. I'm gonna accelerate here a little bit so we beat that traffic. It looks like it was gonna go. I just didn't want to wait there forever and let that traffic pass by. So the only issue I have right now is you gotta be touching the steering wheel, and it brings up that thing at the most inconvenient time, like when the car is doing a turn. And if you try to correct it, it'll take you off FSD. Or try to just nudge it a little bit while it's turning. I don't know what that was about. Okay, FSD got a little cautious with that vehicle that was in a very bad spot there. There's no middle lane. All right, we're stuck at a light and we need to turn right here. All right, looks like we're moving. I don't like, there's a big big hole here, so we better do it properly. All right, oh, it did good. All right, pretty good turn. We're basically at Best Buy. Let's see where it's gonna stop. It's putting a blinker to turn left. And it couldn't be more perfect than that, right in the front of the Best Buy. I mean, like if I was doing a robo-taxi, this is the perfect drop-off. Get off, do your shopping, order another robo-taxi, and go on home. So what I'm going to do now is go in, buy what I need, and then we'll do a little bonus trip since this one, I guess, was kind of boring. It was a lot of green lights and just a couple turns. All right, guys, ironically, I have to go to a gas station to pick up a Red Bull. And I don't think the car is going to be able to do this left turn. It's very difficult for a human to do this turn right here because you got cars coming and it always backs up. So we're going to see what FSD does. We'll get on the road here and then engage it. All right. Let me engage FSD, see what it does. Normally what I do, what the heck is it doing? I guess just run over all them parking spots. What I normally do is, okay, the car's getting a little confused too, is I take a right and then do a U-turn. Actually, the path is clear. Can accelerate here a little bit. Well, actually, the car just did everything on its own. Holy cow. That is a crazy acceleration there. I mean, I didn't think it was going to do it. Wow. All right, I'm impressed there. A little too fast on the acceleration there, but it did it. I did not accelerate. The car's doing it on its own. Slowing down for that car in front of us. And the Texaco is right over here on the right side, so we got to switch over to the right lane. So we'll see when the car decides to do this. I would personally already switch over because then you're going to get people on the right lane. Got 0.2 of a mile, almost a quarter mile to get to the other lane. Luckily there's no vehicles on the right side yet. And let's see what it's going to do. Actually, it's not even going inside. That's why maybe it's not. That's on the planning itself. So you would think it would drop you off inside, but it's just going to go straight. That's why it's not changing lanes. You can see here. So I might just have to go to might have to manually change the lanes. It's just gonna stop here in the middle of the road. That's part of the planning, not the FSD. So we're gonna disengage, put the blinker, switch over, and we got enough. Ooh, coming in a little too fast. Don't want to ding my insurance. If I do any turns like FSD, it'll ding my insurance. I do have the Tesla insurance. So unfortunately, not the test I wanted to do, but we made it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, drop a comment. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And I'm gonna head home, eat some dinner, edit this video, and see you guys in the next one. If you have any requests or questions about anything related to Tesla Model 3, Model Y, leave them in the comments. I'll answer as best as I can. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.